welcome to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, this is my Xiaomi Pro 2. So for today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove the car's control of this scooter. Because this scooter, I have put a filmer, but there have a car's control. So that is automatic running. So first, let's try it. As you can see, so the scooter is automatic running even I'm not put the throttle. So as you can see, so for me this is dangerous because it is automatic running when you're driving. So you can take out the car's control when you put the two button of the throttle. So it is automatic running. But if you steady again, so when you hear the voice of that sound, so that is automatic ready. So as you can see, it is running automatically. Alright guys, so today I will going to show you how to take out the car's control of this scooter. So let's go. Okay. Yeah. So okay guys, so we're going to download the application first. You go to the apps application and then you type scooter hacking utility. And then you download this kind of application. Download. So we're waiting 100%. So we open now. Agree. Grant permission. So this is it guys. So now we're going to connect the scooter. So this is the scooter. And now we are already connected now. So just please wait. And then we waiting for connecting. So alright guys, so we are already connected now the scooter of my cell phone. Now we're going to the tools. So as you can see, the car's control is already open. So just only close and then finish, and then reboot the scooter. And then we're going to open again. So let's try it now. So this is it guys. So alright guys, as you can see, it is already okay now. So they don't have now the car's control. So it is already okay now. So this is it guys. So we are already okay now. So thank you for watching this kind of video. So I hope you like this kind of video. And then if you want this kind of video, please don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel to update to more video. So this is it guys. Thank you and sign out.